Om Swastiastu. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Salam sejahtera, salam harmoni. Good afternoon, everyone. First of all, thank you for the time that given to us. So in this occasion, we would like to present our material, namely Entrepreneurship Strategis. But before we start the presentation, I would like to introduce my members. First is Nathania, Salsabilla, Helena. Second is myself, Desak, Kadek, Cristhine, Natasya. The third is Tedja Tanujaya. And the last, Gede Sudiarsana. Next. So in this presentation, we will explain about entrepreneurship management and entrepreneurship strategy. Next. The first is entrepreneurship management. Entrepreneurship is a person who has the instinct, such as spirit, soul, institution, and competence to do business. Dare to take risks, dare to invest, and dare to make big and fast changes. In running a business, a leader must have entrepreneurship strategy. So the next material will continue by my friend Nathania. Go ahead. Thank you.
I will continue the material from Desak Cristhine. Entrepreneurship strategy, plan achieving business goals. Some of the reasons for the importance of strategies in entrepreneurship are: the first, provide long-term direction to be addressed. Number two, helping to adapt to change state of truth. Number three, make the efforts to be effective to achieve its goals. Number four, assist effort to prevent problems from arising in the future. And number five, can help business face competition. Entrepreneurship strategies. Next. Entrepreneurship strategies consider the suitability of the company internal capabilities and effective with external environment where the company must complete using strategic decision. In carrying out their business strategies, entrepreneurs usually use one of strategies as follows. Number one, be first in the market with the new product and service. New products are goods and services that fundamentally different from those previously marketed to be the company. And number two, test new product and service in the underserviced niche market. In promotion, a new product or service, commonly called product promotion, and is the company action to design product and marketing niche in order to create a Christian impression in the middle on the consumer. Number three, focus good and service on the niche that are small but enduring. And then number four, change the character of the product, market, or industry. The next material will be continued by Tedja.
The entrepreneurship strategies. The techniques in which organizations create value via the setup and coordination of multi-market activities are referred to as corporate strategy. In general, the capability of entrepreneurs to acquire competitive advantage through their innovation is critical to the company's long-term viability. In the new management strategy, Mintzberg put forward the 5P, which means the same things with strategy, namely, next. The first is strategy is planning. The concept of strategy is inextricably linked to feature of planning, direction, and reference for a measure a corporation will take to attain a future goal. However, a strategy that has not been adopted is not inevitably a strategy for the future. Everything that has been done before is referred to a strategy. McDonald's, for example, has been upholding and consistently implementing the principle of quality, service, and cleanliness for many years. Second is a strategy is pattern. According to Mintzberg, strategy is pattern, sometimes known as the intended strategy, because it has not been executed and is focused on the future. Because it has been implemented by the company, it is also known as a realized strategy. The third is a strategy is position. Specifically position certain product for specific target markets. According to Mintzberg, strategy as a position tends to look down, that is, to a point where a product has a specific meetings with customer, and look outside, that is, to review various aspects of the external environment. The tobacco brands Marlboro and Sampurna might, for example, are quite serious about promoting their goods in Indonesia. Each company has a distinct market positioning strategy. Marlboro advertises itself as a brand of circuit for real guys who enjoy the challenge of nature as respondent in commercial. Fourth is a strategy is a perspective. If pattern and position tend to look down and out, perspective, on the other hand, tends to look inward to the organization and upward, views the company great goal. The fifth is a strategy is a type of game. In this context, strategy refers to a specific maneuver used to outsmart an opponent or competition. For example, a brand may develop a second brand to ensure that its position remains strong and advanced, while other brands will be preoccupied with betting the second brand. The next material will be continue with the Sudi.
Okay, thank you. The type of strategies. The types of strategies that can be applied by a company as follows. First, existing market strategies. Companies have numerous challenges in dealing with the old existing market, including raw material shortages, new competition, and technological advancement. The marketing strategies can focus on the old market or existing market to continue to expand sales volume or maintain sales stability for profitability. 2. Strategies for new markets. To deal with environmental forces, companies need to think about finding new markets that provide better opportunities. Strategies for new markets can be done in the following ways: market development, contract diversification, conglomerate diversification. 3. Life cycle product strategies. Introduction, growth, maturity, and decline. 4. Market leader strategies. Market leader, with its company that hold the largest market share in the relevant product market, where other companies follow its action in price change, new product introduction, channel offering, and promotion intensive. 5. Market challenge strategies. Market challenge or are companies that aggressively to expand their market share by challenging market leaders. Leader company or smaller companies in the industry. These strategies can be done by frontal attack, which is taking opponent strength from the opponent's weakest points by combining with the product and price. A side attack, which is to penetrate the opponent marketing area. Soaring attack, in which the company tries to fill various market needs in order to close gaps in the market segment. Use a cross strategy, which is a indirect attack strategies, and avoid any movement that leads to marking areas of competition. This is accomplished by the dispensation of unlit items, new graphic markets, and new technology. There are several decision strategies needs in growing station, namely: first, change in goods and service product. Second, strategies related to market penetration, market expansion, product and service diversification, regional integration, or business are examples of strategies. Third, the ability to raise capital of development, production, process, and equipment replacement, as well as received framework from additional human resource and company strategies. Next, human resource analysis in order to develop unique skill of maintain. 5. Complete with a good complete analysis strategies. The decisions must be based on professionals commitment made by competition. Next, ability to maintain excellence in the face of changing customer demands and the behavior of new competition strategies. Next, determination of the short and long-term price of the goods or service. Next, the company's relationship with the general public. And last, the cash flow impact of the company's rapid growth. The material next will my friends in Desak.
Okay, so from the presentation of the material, we can conclude that using the proper entrepreneurship strategies will result in higher quality products that can compete with other businesses, as well as increased ability to convert all types of challenges and competition that exist in the entrepreneurial sector. So that's all about our presentation. We apologize if there are any wrong words of or action during the presentation. We thank you for the attention that has been given to us, and it would be nice if we also can get some suggestion or criticism from all of you that can help us to move forward. Last word, we will close the presentation with Paramasanti. Om Santi 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 Om. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Salam sejahtera, salam harmoni.